Hi viewers, today we are discussing about the RS nomenclature. When compound is giving, what is the configuration of that compound, R configuration or S configuration, how to identify I will explain in this video students. Okay, RS nomenclature. RS nomenclature, it indicates in the configuration of chirality carbon, indicates the configuration of chirality carbon, indicate the configuration of chirality carbon. Chirality carbon means what is that? Carbon atom having 4 different groups is called as chirality. Carbon atom having 4 different groups is called as chirality, indicates the configuration of chirality of carbon is called, that is RS nomenclature. How to identify the RS nomenclature means first R means is a rectus. R means rectus. Rectus means clockwise direction. Rectus means clockwise direction. Next S means sinister. Sinister means is anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise is there like this. This is R configuration. Anti-clockwise is there, that is S configuration. Rectus means clockwise direction. S means sinister means the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, next going to do priority order. Priority sequence is decided by the CIP rules. Priority sequences is decided by CIP rules. CIP rules means C means what is that? Con in gold prelog. Con in gold prelog. Now we have to see one by one rule. First rule, if atomic number is more priority. If atomic number is more priority. If atomic number is more priority. For example, you know that fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, in these 4 atoms, fluorine atom is the least atomic number, iodine atom is the highest atomic number. That means we are giving first priority for iodine, after that bromine, after that chlorine. Like this, atomic number is more priority. Same that hydrogen, carbon is there. When compared to hydrogen, carbon is the more atomic number, so carbon having given to first priority. Second rule, if atomic number is same, isotopes, for example 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. When you observe this, these atomic numbers are same but mass numbers are different. Like this type of atoms, how to giving priority depending upon the mass number. When atomic number is same, you can go through the mass number. Mass number is high means you can giving to the priority for that. Here this is the hydrogen, this is the deuterium, this is the tritium. Here tritium mass number is 3, here deuterium mass number is 2, here hydrogen mass number is 1. Protium this is called as. That means tritium having more priority than deuterium than hydrogen. When atomic number is same, you go through the mass number. Mass number will be high means you can giving to the first priority. Next third rule, if relative priority group are there, then go to next atom. If relative priority group are there, then go to next atom. For example, like this is there, CH3, CH3, H, CH, CH2, CH3, chlorine. This atom is there. Here say this is both are same carbon atoms, same CH, same group means this is not a chiral carbon. Here this is one group, this is one group, this is one group, this is the one group. Total 4 groups are different, 4 groups are there means this carbon is chiral carbon. How to giving priority order means first this is the highest atomic number means we are giving first order for this. Next here also carbon is there, here also carbon is there. After that next carbon what is there? Here CH3 is there, here CH2, CH3. Like this you have to giving the priority order. If relative property group are there, then go to next atom. Are there, then go to next atom. This is the rule number 3. Next, rule number 4, double bond, triple bond. Both atoms are considered to be duplicated and triplicated. Any double bond or triple bond, both atoms considered to be duplicated or triplicated. For example, C triple bond N will be there. That means what is that? Carbon atom is attaching to the 3 nitrogen atom like this. Double bond is there. That means what is that? Carbon atom has got 2 oxygen atoms like this. Here also again carbon, nitrogen, nitrogen, nitrogen. Here again oxygen, carbon, like this will be there. Any triple bond and double bond is present, both considered as duplicated and triplicated. This is the 4th rule. Next, 5th rule, find out the position of the group. Find out the position of the group. If 4th group is above the plane, the configuration is reverse. Find out the position of the 4th group. Position of the 4th group is above the plane. Above the plane, the configuration is reverse. Configuration is reverse. Position of 4th group is above the plane means configuration is reverse. Above the plane means what is that? For example, here this I will take one carbon, CH2, CH3, CH3, OH, H. This is called as above the plane. This dashed line we are called as below the plane. In molecule, how to identify the above the plane, below the plane? Can like this will be there, dashed lines means that is below the plane. Like this is there means that is called as above the plane. Least priority group is present on the 4th group means the configuration is reverse. R will be there, the configuration is converted into S. If suppose S will be there, the configuration is converted into R. This is the rule number 5. Next we are going to do some examples. Okay, next one more rule number 6 is there. If lowest priority is in a horizontal line, lowest priority is on horizontal line, the configuration is reverse. R will be there, they convert into S. S will be there, they convert into R. For example, like this will be there, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, hydrogen. When you giving priority, atomic number will be more means more priority. Here bromine is the highest means give 1, 2, 3, 4. Here least priority group in a horizontal line means the configuration is reverse. This is we are called as the Fischer form. This is the Fischer form. This is we are called as the wedge form. This is we are called as the wedge form. This is we are called as Fischer form. In Fischer form, 4th priority group is present in the horizontal line means the configuration will reverse. In wedge form, 4th group is present in the above the plane means the configuration is reverse. Now we are going to do examples. Do listen carefully. Can very easy how to identify the RS configuration. Okay, if you go for these rules, you can easily identify. We will do some examples. Okay, first you can do this one. Bromine, hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine. See here, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, hydrogen will be there. Which one is the highest atomic number? Bromine is the highest atomic number, is the priority is 1. Next, chlorine is the next highest number, priority is 2. This priority is 3. This priority is 4. Hydrogen is the least. Now 1, 2, 3. You can go for the 1, 2, 3 way like this. 1, 2, 3 like this. This is which direction is there? Clock, anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise direction means this configuration is S configuration. The configuration is S configuration. Next, one more example. CHO CH3 OH CH2 CH3. See here, first this carbon is directly attached to the oxygen, means we have to giving oxidation is oxygen is the highest atomic number when compared to carbon. We are giving first priority for OH, and second priority here also carbon is there, here also carbon is there, here also carbon is there. After that, here carbon is attached to the oxygen, here carbon is attached to the one more carbon, so we are giving the second priority for this atom. Next, here CH3, here CH2, CH3. Here only one carbon. The carbon is attached to the hydrogen, but here carbon is attached to the one more carbon. So we are to giving this is the third priority. This is the fourth priority. 1, 2, 3 like this will come in. This is what is that? Clockwise direction means configuration is R configuration. Configuration is R configuration. Next, one more example. CH2 CH3 hydrogen CH3 Br. Now see here, this is carbon. Here directly bromine attached means this is the first priority for this one. Second priority is CH2 CH3 will be, this is second priority. This is third priority. This is the fourth priority. Now is that 1, 2, 3. The direction is like this. The direction is anti-clockwise. Yes, anti-clockwise means what is the configuration? S configuration. But this is not S configuration because here lowest priority group is present in the above the plane. If when present in the above the plane, the configuration should be reverse. That means S configuration is converted into R configuration. S configuration is converted into R configuration. Why S configuration is converted into R configuration? Hydrogen, that means least priority group, fourth priority group is present in the above the plane. Fourth priority group is present in the above the plane. So the configuration is reverse. S configuration is converted into R configuration. S configuration is converted into R configuration. Now some examples we can do. Fisher we can do. Fisher projections we can do. Okay. This is Fisher projection. Here CHO, CH2, CH3. Here CH3. Here OH. Now can do for this carbon. Here also carbon. Here also carbon. Here oxygen will be there, means this is first priority group. After that, here carbon and attached to the oxygen means this is second priority group. Next, this is third priority group. This is fourth priority group. 1, 2, 3 like this will be there. The direction is clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means what is the configuration? R configuration. Clockwise direction means what is the configuration? R. But it is the configuration will changes to S. Why? Because here fourth priority group is present in the horizontal line. When fourth priority group is present in the horizontal line, the configuration will reverse. R is converted into S and S is converted into R. Here starting we can get R configuration, means the configuration will changes to S configuration. That means this one is the configuration is S configuration is correct and R configuration is the wrong. Next, in same one more example for Fisher's projection we have to do for OH, H, H, OH, CHO, CH2, OH. This example is there. This example how to do, for here two chiral centers is there. Here how many chiral centers? Two chiral centers is there. This is one chiral center, this is another chiral center. Here also four different groups, 1 2 3. This is the fourth group. Here 1 2 3, this is the fourth group. Two chiral centers is there. Here two chiral centers, this is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. How to identify this configuration? This configuration hurts. This carbon directly attached to the OH means we are giving the first priority for this one. Next, second priority, here also carbon is there, here also carbon, but here also directly oxygen will be there, here also oxygen will be connected. After oxygen again CH2OH will be there. That means this whole group we are giving for second priority. After the third priority is this one, and fourth priority is the hydrogen. Now 1 2 3 like this we are coming means the what is the direction means clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means we are whatever that is configuration or configuration, but fourth priority group is present in the horizontal line means the configuration will changes into S configuration. Configuration is changes into S configuration, but means second carbon we can get S configuration, that means 2S. Next, how to find out this carbon? This carbon same here OH will be there. For OH we are giving the first priority. Second, this whole group is the second priority. This is the third priority. This is the fourth priority. 1 2 3 like this. Yes, this is also what is that clockwise direction. When clockwise direction is the rectus or configuration, but here fourth priority group is present in the horizontal line means they convert into S configuration. Here this is third carbon means that configuration is 3S. That means what is the configuration of this compound? 2S comma 3S like this. I hope you students understand this concept. Any doubts regarding this concept, please comment and like my video. Thank you.